Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable developer options and USB debugging on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the settings app. This is the thing I did first. Now you want to click on my phone and scroll down until we see the build number. Now, what's interesting about it is you need to click it 8 times to become a developer. Now, once you spam it and you enter the pattern that confirms that your device is here, we get an information that we are now a developer. So now you can scroll down, go to system, and here we will have developer options. Now, what we're interested in is, of course, the USB debugging. So you just have to scroll down into the debugging section, and here we can enable it. As you guys can see, it's only intended for development purposes, so you can use it to copy everything between the computer and the device. Even it says it right here. We can install any apps and read the log data, so we can enable it. And of course we can revoke the access to USB debugging from the computers that we've already used, and that's how you guys can do it. So I hope this quick video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.